Essential Grid Gallery turns images and video into galleries that sell. Products, YouTube, Vimeo, Instagram. No code at all. Start with a layout. A grid keeps things even. Masonry fits mixed sizes. A carousel slides across. Pick what you're building. A photo gallery, a video gallery, a lookbook, or a shoppable grid. Or start from a template. Over 70 of them, sorted by category. Portfolio, album, product media, blog posts. Preview any template on your own store, then install it in one click. Pull images straight from a product, a collection, or a blog post. Nothing gets re-uploaded. Paste a YouTube link and the app builds the video gallery for you, thumbnails included. Vimeo works the same way. So does Shopify video. So does your Instagram feed. Then there's the lookbook. Tag products onto a lifestyle photo to make it shoppable. Shoppers tap a tag and go straight to the product they want. The flow is always the same. Create from scratch or from a template, then add your images, your videos, your products. Name it, and the app gives you a gallery ID, pick the page, hit publish, and your gallery is live. Now, the part most gallery apps leave out. Every gallery keeps its own numbers. Clicks, add to cart, orders, and total sales. Over 7, 30, or 90 days. And if you want proof, more than 6,000 Shopify stores already run these galleries. A public page shows their work live right now. 4.9 out of 5 and built for Shopify. Install Essential Grid Gallery and start building today.